In the previous we learned how we can add the functionality in a Java that you can search something from Wikipedia. So now we are adding new functionality to search something using our YouTube. For that purpose, we are using a web browser library. It's an open source pre-built library in a Python that used to control the web browser. So let's create a function here. Before that, we have to import the library web browser because it's an inbuilt library, so we don't need to install it. Import browse web browser. Now we have to create a function def yo YouTube. What do you want to search? Speak function. Say what do you want to search? After that, I will have a search function using input function and say write the search term. It will save on search. Now use web browser. Let's see, first import web browser as a short word because web browser is a large word. So let's short web browser as wbs. Okay, now come back here, wp, and we have to give the path to the YouTube. So let me first, I will show you how the YouTube path works. First let's open the YouTube. If I search a physics lab, the channel, then you can see that the link is like that. It's https://www.youtube.com result search query. After query is physics lab how to academy. After query equal whichever search is after the query. Before that is a predefined link for YouTube. So I will have to provide a link. https:// www.youtube.com results after result is search search query and equal. After that is a search term which I'm gonna search on it, which is basically save on search. So and that's it. So let's call this function YouTube. And see how this works. Now you can see it's opening a YouTube. So let's add this function a code in our main code. Now I will say elif search on YouTube in query, then run the yo YouTube function.